March 12 to 13th, a fierce battle between cold and warm air masses took place over southern China, triggering a new round of extreme weather. The provinces of Hunan, Jiangxi, Fujian, and Guangdong were all hit by violent thunderstorms, strong winds, and hailstorms, leaving behind widespread damage and chaos. Some areas experienced wind gusts powerful enough to break windows and rip off rooftops, while hailstones battered vehicles, causing significant damage. In Hunan's Yizhang County, the situation was particularly severe as powerful winds, hail, and thunderstorms unleashed their fury upon the region. Video footage taken by residents showed large trees being violently uprooted, their trunks snapping like twigs under the sheer force of the wind. The roofs of several houses were torn off, exposing interiors to the harsh elements, and some buildings even suffered structural damage. Many households reported shattered windows as sudden wind gusts sent debris flying through the air. The chaos unfolded within minutes, leaving residents with little time to react. Jiangxi province was also severely impacted by the intense weather. Late at night on Wednesday, multiple cities, including Nanchang and Yichuan, suddenly experienced a torrential downpour of hailstones, catching residents off guard. Many woke up to the loud, rhythmic pounding of ice pellets striking rooftops, vehicles, and the streets outside their homes. The unexpected hailstorm disrupted traffic and daily activities, as workers and commuters struggled to navigate the slippery streets littered with icy remnants. Some residents took to social media to share their astonishment, describing how the storm transformed the normally warm spring night into a wintry scene. In Fujian, the weather chaos continued as powerful winds and hail battered several areas, causing considerable damage to property and infrastructure. Many vehicles parked along the roadsides sustained visible damage, with their metal surfaces dented from the impact. The extreme winds further compounded the situation, toppling signs and tearing branches from trees. In some locations, the gales reached speeds of up to 34.2 meters per second, a force equivalent to a strong typhoon. Residents were left in shock as they watched objects being swept away by the violent gusts, while businesses and homeowners scrambled to secure loose items to prevent further losses. Meanwhile, in Guangdong, the storm unleashed its fury across multiple cities, bringing thunderstorms, high winds, and hail. Between the night of Wednesday and the morning of Thursday, the province experienced a wave of severe convective weather. In the northern regions, particularly in Shaoguan, heavy rainfall, hail, and strong thunderstorms swept through, causing significant disruptions. As the storm intensified, gusty winds strengthened, reaching speeds of around 10 on the Beaufort scale, strong enough to cause damage to weak structures and trees. Despite the severe convective storms beginning to subside, weather experts warn that this is only the beginning of a more prolonged and persistent weather event. Over the next few days, heavy rainfall will take over as the dominant threat, particularly in southern China. Authorities have urged the public to stay alert, particularly in regions prone to geological hazards, and to take necessary precautions.
这个极端的天气，像什么？像下雪一样哦！第一次看到这种场景，这么大个人了啊，30多岁了，可能像个鸡蛋一样。你看，给大家先看看，哇，满地都是哦！这么极端的天气了吗？现在的，你看，给大家看看，鸡蛋这么大。